Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Here I am once again in my kitchen, and tonight I'm going to cook something so delicious. It's going to be squid in a very rich tomato sauce. I haven't had this for some time, so I'm really looking forward to it. It's one of my all-time favourite go-to recipes for a midweek meal. Stay with me, I'll show you the recipe and please try it for yourself. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel. There's two ways to cook squid. There's a long way and there's a short way. Tonight I'm going to do it the long way, which means cooking it in a sort of a stew for over an hour. Now the short way that I'm not going to be doing is cook your stew, pop it in 15 minutes or less, job done. So we're going to need some squid. And I bought this squid at our local supermarket, as you can see, and it's squid rings, all ready to use. We're also going to need some tomato puree that I've got here, out of a tube, a little bit of cayenne pepper, not too much, or anything hot to spice it up a bit, a good glug of red wine, a tin of chopped tomatoes, regular size, then we need a bit of seasoning of course. Also we're going to need 1 or 2 red onions and about 3 cloves of chopped up garlic. And this is my pride and joy, it's basil from out of the garden. So, into a pan on a hob, we go with a little bit of cooking oil. Then we can go in with our red onions, finely chopped, get some oil coated all over the onions and we can let them sweat down a little bit. After a while, we can pop in our garlic, finely chopped, cook it a little bit longer and then we can put in our tin of chopped tomatoes. Oh, how do we survive without chopped tomatoes, eh? Then some seasoning, black pepper. Oh, I love black pepper. Not as much as I love fresh sea salt. Well, it's not that fresh, is it? Been around for hundreds of years. There's our wine, about a glassful. But cook that down so that the alcohol goes. In with the cayenne pepper. Now that's up to you how much you use. And then a hefty squirt of tomato puree. This enriches everything, and then we want to snip up some leaves of the basil. In they go. They give that excellent flavour. Perhaps a bit Italian-y, I would say, wouldn't you? So then we're going to whiz this up. Get it nice and smooth, like that. And then when it's boiling away, we can pop in our squiddy diddlies. In they go. Now we want to get them all coated in the sauce. Nicely done. Tuck them all under, as much as you possibly can, of course. And once that's done, we can go on with the lid. Oh look, you can see my camera in that shiny lid. Then when it's cooked down, this is what you've got. Well, you better see it when the steam goes. Now that's looking delicious, isn't it? So, yeah, I think it's time to plate up. Now I'm going to serve this up on some pasta that's been pre-cooked according to the instructions on the packet. Goes so well together. A little bit of Parmesan cheese, a little bit of a sprinkling over the top, and of course, just to finish it off, a little bit of basil. And there you have it. My take on a tasty squid meal. Please try this for yourself. I'm sure you will enjoy it. So tasty. It's got all the flavours that you want. It's got a lovely rich tomato sauce and squid. I love squid. Don't forget, get some squid, try the recipe and you will enjoy it. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.